Where's the tree, Maggie?
Come on, find it.
Maggie, there's a giant tree in our living room. You must see it. Where is it? There it is.
There
There it is. There it is. There it is.
Try to do it again. Touch the tree again. No, you just have an ornament.
Stop. Row 2.
You didn't want
Row
to.
3.
You did it. That one's yours. Want to do another one?
Excuse me, Dad.
Want to do beads?
Beads are fun.
Disco's toy?
God.
Want to do beads?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, you hold this end. Hold it. Leave me hanging.
Literally.
Hey. Max, come on. Grab this end. See this? Max, with your left hand.
Peace.
I'm not even allowed to touch that one.
No, nothing glass.
Okay, hold it. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. We're jumping rope. The double Dutch bus. Okay. Okay. Going with us. You let go.
News. I go to.
Steady.
Music. TV.
Steady.
Sleep.
One more flag.
Phone. Help do. Volume up.
Volume up.
Yeah, that's what we need. More volume.
Message window. Message window.
C.
You want to do another beads? More beads?
Message window.